I gotta get these projects done while I have electricity. Tiny house prepper.
Live simple, live free.
Hey everybody, I'm Bill with Tiny House Prepper. And you know, in the RV storage lot where we park our RV, our cottage, when we're not using it, there's no electricity. So if I need to do any projects and I need to cut up any wood or anything like that, I have no way to do that over there. So right now, we are parked in my son's driveway. We are here to visit them for about a week. And we're plugged into his house, so I have plenty of power. So while I'm here, I'm going to do this project that I've been wanting to do for a while. It has to do with storage. We got plenty of storage in this place, but it's configured wrong. So I'm going to have to change that. Here in the bedroom, there's an end table on each side, with one drawer on each one. And then above that, that's a hanging closet. There's another hanging closet over there. Up there are some cabinets where we keep some books and our computer equipment while we're driving. So in here we have two hanging closets. And then out here by the door is this. This is another hanging closet. See, there's a hanger there. We're going to convert this into, we got our broom in there. We're going to put a vacuum cleaner in there to be able to get this carpet. So that's hanging closet number 3, 2 in the bedroom and 1 here. And then in the back, we got the bunks over here. And then this is another good sized closet for hanging clothes. Why do we need all that hanging room? There are 4 drawers down there and they're all very small. Not enough room to put much. I got some socks in there, that's about all it fits. And we don't have any room for our clothes except hanging stuff. And as far as pantry, in the kitchen here we have this for dishes and things like that. And then we have this. We got pots and pans down there. And then this is good for pantry for food. But, as you know, we use Thrive Life foods. We have a lot of Thrive Life with us. And we just keep them right there in boxes for now. I use all of these for my smoothies in the morning. We use them for meals. And that's the problem. We don't have any room to keep our Thrive Life stuff except in the boxes. So, I'm going to put some shelves in here. But they're not going to be just shelves. They're going to be slide out. So I got some of these. I put this in just to make sure it'll fit. This is the slider. So once I put the platform on there, this will slide out. And we'll be able to see the way these are like that because it's narrow. And then we'll still have plenty of hanging space over here if we want it. And I think that's going to solve the problem, at least, of the Thrive food that we want to bring along with us. This stain is colonial maple, and it's the closest I could find to match the wood on the inside. It's a very light color. By the way, if you've never done any staining, the proper way to do stain is with a rag, not with a brush. If you do brush, you get all these brush marks in it and it looks really bad. It looks pretty good if you use a rag. All of this is already done. Alright, the first tray. Alright, that one's done. Hopefully that'll be ready to slide in. Now this is the inside of the closet, and here's a 2-foot slider that I'm going to use. And notice that it's not long enough. This is 24 inches and the closet is about 27. So there's an extra 3 inches back here, and there's nothing to screw that to. So what I did was I built this tray thing here, and notice that it is exactly the same width as the opening. So now I have this board here. When that's placed back here, you can screw this here, and then that'll screw right into this board. So that gives me support for the back of the drawers all the way up. I think that's going to work pretty well. And I stained it all so it matches. Looks good. Looks like it's supposed to be that way. Alright, there wasn't enough room in here with me and my head in there while I was screwing it in there to get the camera in. So I couldn't show you, but I now have the 2 bottom tracks in place. And this is the tray. I'm very happy with that. Alright, so I am very happy with the way this came out. I now have shelving storage available for my Thrive, and then in the front, smaller cans. This is a can of coffee, this is a pantry can of milk, and yeah, this is going to work well. And if I don't use it for Thrive, then I can use it for other you know, canned goods and dried goods and things like that. Significantly increased our pantry storage in the cottage. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this. Thanks for watching. Live simple, live free. You be blessed.